Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to integrate this wall switch panel to KinCony esp32 board used by esp32 firmware. And here you can see this is our A16S board that's made by the esp32. Video I will use this A16S, for example, tell you how to set by the esp32 command for the digital input. And actually you can see there are many esp32 boards in KinCony's esp32 home automation web page. So you can see there are many esp32 boards. You can use this way how to set the wall switch for every esp32 board. Okay, you can see this is the web page of A16S controller web page. And you can see that have V2 firmware for the KCS. And you can see the monitor. And we can state monitor and the ADC and the sensor, the temperature sensor, because we have used this temperature sensor DS18B20. And this is the input, 16 channel input, and this is 16 channel output. So you can see I can turn on, turn off relay 1 by this mouse very easily. So this web page also can work in the mobile phone web browser. So you can see turn all on and all off. It's very easily. So now I will show you how to use the input to trigger the output. There are some different ways and many powerful. And you can see this A16S board, I have connected with this two cable that is for digital input 1. This one is ground and this is digital input 1. So you will see just this cable. I can short for this. And you can see the monitor. At here, you can see that it turns green. And I disconnect, that will become. So you can see I short, I disconnect. I short, I disconnect. We can use this input and trigger this relay output set by the FTDB command. We just need to click FTDT. And here you will see that have edit button and click, such as I want to use this toggling relay 1. And you can see this if condition and this is then. So this I can check DI, that means digital input. This is DI1 because I have connected with digital input 1, for example. And you can see that trigger type have many different powerful functions. Let's look at how to I will tell you what is the difference. Now we can click this single click. That means just click one time. So I can click single click, click apply, and this DO, that means the relay output. If you want to turn on relay 1, you can input 1. If you want to turn off relay 1, you just input 1 at here, that's off. If you want toggling relay 1, so that input 1. So I want to toggle relay 1, I just input 1 at here and press apply. Now you can just click this enable and click save, and it will be restart. You can see this is two cable. You can see I can short for one time, that is on, and short for one time, that is off. So this is a single click toggling, 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 toggling. So this way we use for this momentary switch. This is a momentary switch, just will out reset. So you can see this is K1 to K4. I just use 2 1. If I connect with the KCON, if I connect with K1, so you can see if I press this button 1, that will be on and off by single click. This means single click. Okay. And this is single click. We can click edit. And if I choose this treble type for double click, so you can see here, double click and apply and press this save button and restart. So you can see this time I click one time, just a single click is not work. But this means double click will be toggling. Double click will toggling. So also you can see here I have connected to this K1 and ground at here, K1 and ground. I can, you can see, double click is available, but a single click is not work. Single click not work. Okay, this is how to use the double click. And now we can change this different way, and this will be changed to hold on and press apply and press save. And now let's test it. You can see one click, double click is not work, and I must hold on. You can see this is toggling relay 1. So hold on, that is toggling relay 1. If I connect with this button, you can see hold on, relay toggling, hold on, relay toggling. So this is hold on, the mode. About the hold on time, you can see here that in system we have a default setting. This is hold on time, and you can change what time you want to hold on the time, such as 1 second, 2 seconds. If you want to change 1 second, you can just change to 1000, and 2 seconds, you just change to 2000. So that is very easy. And now let's look at the next work mode. So we can click edit and click this digital 1, and this means the state is true and the state is off. So just anytime the state is true and off will means this triangle type. And this is rising edge, and this is the follow edge, because this means the level is become high, and this follow edge, that means the level is become low. So this is different range, but the most important is we need to use the both edge, so that can use this launch switch. So this is old traditional switch. So this time this switch can use for the esp32 board. And if we choose this both edge, you can see I can press apply and save. What will be difference? And now you can see if I shut, the relay is on, and release, relay is off. So every range just on and off, just disconnect and connect, we all trigger this relay. So that can use for our this launch type. So you can see I can connect with this line and this one just very easily. I connect with 2 cable, on, off, toggling. So any side, this relay will be toggling. So that you can use this cable and connect with the traditional switch. Maybe you can use this one, this traditional switch. This is 4 gun, and just this 1 gun. So if you have used this switch that have normal open and normal close, so you just need to use normal open, this 2 point, and with these 2 cable, it work well. So you can see if I connect with this L1, channel 1, this 2 cable, and you can see I can press this button on and off. You can see here. So this relay will work. So this is very flexible. Use this digital input for this monitor switch or for this launch switch, that will be very easily. And this cable that we have designed for long distance that support max 300 meters. So I think is enough for your home automation project to use. Okay, thanks for watching.